Okay.
One says
So at this moment, so it will create the cat. Okay, cat process receive or read the show the input and output. In this case, if you redirect, okay, output of this, the input or output of this cat goes to the new file. So cat is in charge of that. So one file will be created. However, later you will see this kind of the symbol. This is called the pipe. Pipe will be another similar thing, but it creates another process. So I will keep in mind. I will ask it again later.
Then if you want to add further more data to the same file, just click the cat and double symbol and give the same line. It will ask for the input, just give like
Which is not the author of the I'm not sure whether
then if you just give the cat command, you could see that we have appended the line into the file new.
Can we insert lines? Instead of a pen, is there also option for insert?
Insert?
What's the question?
Is there a way to insert rather than pen?
Insert means you add in the beginning. No, I don't think the cat.
We cannot use using the cat command. We should use someone.
So cat is not the powerful editor. It's just a simple display input and output. Okay, I never use such a way. The cat is only used for the quickly check inside of the content. Then that's a good question anyway. What if you wanna curious whether I can do this one or not? More information. You need to check the help, right? Best way, Googling. If you cannot access the Google, you can use man command. I think the man command is the maybe somewhere. So manual. So man command like the cat. Why don't you type the man cat, enter. So you will see all the options. Please search first. I do not remember all possible. So to use this interface, you should be familiar with the VI editor. Use the VI editor interface. So you may not know how to use it. If you do not know, just the Control C out. Okay, great. But this one shows everything. Control C right now, and go ahead. You are next.
And to clear the screen, just give clear. It will clear the screen.
Oh yeah, that's so the for each command has the that is the name.
For the ls command, you can give ls and hyphen option, and these are the available options for the ls command. Like this, for all the commands, there will be some options. You can just give man and the command name. You can see the options. And I just gave ls minus l, which will list all the details of the file and directories present in that.
Sometimes the option mostly is meaningful. A means all. The L means long. I means recursive. T means sometimes 3, sometimes not. So it has you can guess sometimes. Not always, but you can guess. ls minus AL is the mostly used option. You can type AL. You can see the difference. ls minus AL. So it includes hidden file also. You can see the dot and double dot. What's the meaning of dot?
Hidden folder or hidden file.
Current. It's a current directory. Dot, single dot is a current directory. Double dot is a parent directory.
Okay.
One up. It's the same as the Windows. In the Windows, you also have the dot, single dot, and double dot. That's a special, actually, file. Why is it considered as a file? We will see in chapter 10, 11 later. Okay.
In this command, the first RWX, it will be the access, the modifier for the file, and next column 251 are the total number of files associated with the file or directory, and the next one is the user who created it, and the next one is the group which it belongs to, and the 17, 37, 48 are the total number of bytes allocated for the file, and next one is the last modification date and time, and the last dot double dot new or the file name or the directory name.
So all of these options will be discussed in the chapter 10, 11, something like that, the later of the this semester.
Next is the echo command. Echo command is similar to the printf statement in C. It just prints whatever string we are writing into the echo command. It will just print it out.
So echo is echo. So it's actually it can be used a lot to see the kind of variable. For example, why don't you type echo space dollar sign and the capital letter shell SHEL. Enter. So this one shows the option. So like the Windows also has the environment variable. Whether or not you realize most of the operating system has a lot of environment. Your shell environment variable a lot. So this shell variable shows which shell program you are using. In this case, the bash shell. So if you want to see all the variable, env, enter, and environment, env, enter. These are all the variables. You can see the form is like that, log name is like that, SSH connection like that. These are all the variables you need to use this shell. So then the capital letter is a variable name and value is right hand side. When you are using the echo, it shows the value of the variable. One more thing that you are interested in is here. So you don't know what is sometimes it's long, you cannot see all of them. At that time, env space pipe, and space grep. More. Not grep, more. M-O-R-E. Enter. Then you can see the page by page. More command actually the stop wait by page and enter. Space. Space or enter. Space. Yeah. Then this is the same question. When you type the ENV and the more, how many processes will be created? You shall create 2 processes this time. The pipe is the communication method, like the really pipe between you and me. Then they 2 parent shell program create the 2 processes. One is the ENV, another one is the more. Then they are communicating. What's the benefit? So while we are displaying the ENV, and more is it's a simple program to control the page by page or the line by line. So input of more is the output of ENV through the pipe. It's very, very powerful. It's used a lot. It's unlike the command line interface in the Windows. Go ahead. Do you have the time? Oh, it's done. I think we are done today. One more? Yeah.
If you want to see in which directory you are working, just give PWD, which is present working directory. You can see you are in the directory from the desktop lab.
So this is the mostly used command when you are using the command line interface, because unlike the graphical user interface, you don't know. So intuitively, without any intention, from time to time you may realize you are typing PWD. Really, if you are using a lot, because you don't know where you are. So just a PWD, then you realize you are in the. Otherwise, sometimes you may execute the dangerous program. Okay, same name, but it's the delete all the files, something like that. That happen. Okay. So today do we have more thing? Okay.
Next, we will see the grep command. Grep command is used to search a string in a file, or like a pattern of string. You just give grep and whatever you want to search. Paste the file name. So this will show all the matching pattern available in that file. So we will be using often the grep command to search and display it for the further use.
This one also another popular command. So when you are using command line, because the graphical user interface you can just open and see whatever, but the command line is not easy. So this one used a lot. Also, I do not know the meaning of grep, but actually when I learned the grep first time, I thought it's a grep. So it's a similar meaning. Anyway, the meaning, another different thing. This is not popular way to use the grep. Instead, you are using cat. New pipe the grep. No. Cat grep. Girl line. Why don't you try? This one is more popular. Because you display the new file, then only catch the line that include the line. You will see the same result. This is more popular. By the time 2 processes are running.
This is the pipe command. Like this is the first command which will be executing first, and the output of this command will be given to the second one. So this will get the input from this one and produce the output. So it's like more or less the same one. And like if you want to see some other one,
So grab and with the pipe use really a lot. Okay, so the formula of practice.
ls when AL will show all the 3 1 and it is given as the input to the grep. So we are searching of the name new, which is this one. That's what it's showing the command ls minus l hyphen pipe grep new.
I think that we need to stop. Okay, so homework. So why don't you, I think that you are able to finish the exercise lab 1 by next week, okay? By yourself. Then the last screen. So you need to upload the screenshot of the last screen. Okay, I want to check whether you did or not. Just complete all your exercise lab up to the end of exercise lab 1. You can do by yourself. If you do not know, first Google it. That will be better than me, better than the data. Then second, manual page. Or third option, help is always available. Okay? Or just cat -- help. Or search the Google how to get the help of the specific command. Okay? Then last screen, capture, then the upload to the canvas. Okay? Do you understand?
The last thing.
The last, anyway, this is you done everything, just capture this screen and upload. I'd like to, otherwise half of the student will not do that. Wait until the end of semester. Okay? By the data we create where you submit. Okay, the 1 week, by the next week, the Tuesday evening, okay? Then you are able to continue on Wednesday exercise lab, okay? Okay, that's it. Thanks so much. If you have any question, you can ask Daran or me.
So you want to
Yes.
that we did.